Good morning, students. Welcome to class 7. I hope you all are safe at home. In a previous part, we have studied about adaptation in forests and grassland animals. Today, we will see adaptation in deserts animals. Deserts are characterized by severe scarcity of water. Hence, deserts animals have a thicker skin to prevent loss of water from the body. It means they have scarcity means lack of water. Hence, deserts animals have a thick skin. They have thick skin to prevent from loss of water from the body. Their legs are long with flat and cushioned soles. The nostrils are protected by folds of skin. The eyelashes are long and thick. Rats, snakes, spiders, lizards in deserts live in deep burrows during daytime and are active at a night. It means the question will ask to you explain about the adaptation in deserts plant. So you have to explain that their legs are long with a flat and cushioned soles. The nostrils are protected by folds of skin. The eyelashes are long and thick. Rats and snakes, spiders, lizards in deserts live in a deep burrows during daytime and they are active at the night. Okay, these are the deserts animals. How's their legs they have shown us in this picture. Now next point is the adaptation in animals of a snowy region. From the internet, download images of animals like a yak, polar bear, white fox, silver fox, mountain goat, Siberian husky, dog, and snow leopard. You should go, you should suffer on internet and download these images to know about the adaptation in animals of a snowy region. Compare these images with those of similar animals from tropical forests. A white or silvery body color, long, thick hair on the skin are typically characteristics of animals of snowy region. How are these useful to them? Okay. How these are useful to them? Because in a snowy region there are too cold atmosphere. That's why to prevent from that a white or silver body color, long thick hair on the snowy on skin are typically characteristics of animals of snowy region. The question will ask to you which are the typical characteristics of animals of a snowy region. The answer will a white or silver body color, long thick hair on the skin are typical characteristics of animals of snowy region. Now next point is adaptation in aerial animals. What is the main difference between the vehicle on the road and aeroplanes? Can you tell me the main difference between the on vehicles on the road and aeroplanes? Aeroplanes are flies into the sky rather than vehicles are riding on the road. The spindle-shaped body of a bird also minimizes the resistance of air while flying. With hollow bones, a body covering of feathers and modification of forelegs into wings, their body is light in weight and adapted for flying. How is their body structure? Adaptation in aerial animals. Their body structure, how it is? Spindle-shaped body of birds also minimizes the resistance of air while flying. Whatever the problem creates due to the air for flying, that resists, that decreases due to their spindle shaped body of a birds. With a hollow bones, a body covering of a feathers and modification of a forelegs into wings, their body is light in weight. That's why they can be fly. The body of insects also is light in weight and tapers at both ends. Tapers means uh, little at both the ends. They can fly with two pairs of wings and also walk with six stick-like legs. Bats can fly with the help of the patagem, a thin fold of skin between their forelegs and hind legs. Observe the various birds and insects in your area. This is your activity. You should observe the various birds and insects in your area. Okay, these are the adaptation in birds. Okay, next point is adaptation in reptiles. Observe from a distance how snakes and earthworms creep. Each organ do they use for creeping? Are there any special changes for that purposes? Not any such a changes. Animals like a house lizard, garden lizard, crocodile use their muscle for creeping. Okay, the question will ask to you, which animals use their muscle for creeping? The answer is animals like a house lizard, garden lizard, crocodile use their muscles for creeping. Similarly, they show adaptation in skin, sole of feet, body color, etc. For example, the house lizard and monitor lizard have claved toes and thin sole, whereas the snake have a scaly skin. This is about the adaptation in reptiles. Now next point is adaptation for food in animals. Why changes occur into the animals for food? This is the topic about the adaptation for food in animals. We can categorize animals as a herbivores and carnivores. We know that herbivores means animals which eat only grass, and carnivores means the animals which eat meat. Okay. Special adaptation are seen in each category to make the process of feeding easy. We will discuss this in greater detail in the chapter of nutrition. We will see this in detail in the chapter nutrition. Okay, one activity to you all. You should observe program channels like a National Geography, Wild Discovery, etc. to learn about feeding habits of animals like frogs, snakes, birds, mosquitoes, butterflies, etc. Okay, one more activity to your adaptation for food in animals. Complete the following chart from your own observation. You should observe this. Adaptation, sharp teeth. Which animal have a sharp teeth? Lion, tiger. Use of adaptation is to tear the flesh. Similar like that, you should complete this chart. Adaptation for blending with the surrounding. We cannot easily spot colorful butterflies, lizards, and grasshoppers. They get camouflaged amidst grasses. Parts of plants like stem, leaves, flowers, etc. That is because their color blend with those of their surroundings. Changes that take place in the various organs and life processes of organism that enable them to live, feed, reproductive to perpetuate themselves and protect themselves from their enemies in specific surroundings. Depending upon the habitat and its geographical condition are called adaptation. In the beginning, we have studied about the adaptation. Adaptation means gradual changes which occur into the animals and plants to survive in a nature. Okay, always remember, what should we have to always remember? Adaptation is not a sudden process, it is a gradual and continuous. Adaptation always it is a continuous process. Differences in the structure and appearance of a present day animals and animals of thousands of years ago are the adaptations that occur according to prevailing conditions. It is our duty to conserve this diversity. It means this is our duty to conserve diversity, to preserve this diversity. Okay. Now next, on the next page, Darwin's theory of evolution. This is the scientist Charles Darwin. Charles Darwin, a biologist, studied numerous types of plants and animals and suggested that only those organisms are likely to survive which can best adapt themselves to changing environment. This is called the theory of survival of the fittest. The question will ask to you for 2 marks. What is meant by the theory of survival of the fittest? The answer is Charles Darwin, a biologist, studied a numerous types of plants and animals and suggested that only those organisms are likely to survive which can best adapt themselves to changing environment. This is called as the theory of survival of the fittest. This is also known as the Darwin's first principle. Now, what is the Darwin's second principle? Second principle is that if an organism is born with a new beneficial characteristics and is able to survive, This change is preserved in the next generation. This is Darwin's second principle and is known as the theory natural selection. Okay, now we will stop here for today's. Thank you.